Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Skylar here. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these 4 jumbo braids. I've never done big braids like this before, and I've been seeing it a lot on YouTube, and I've been seeing it a lot like on my Pinterest, on my Instagram. So I thought, you know, why not try it out, especially because I'm going to AC this weekend. So I wanted something quick and easy, because I was going to put my faux locks in, but I don't have enough time for that. So if you want to see how I got these faux locks, see, I want to do faux locks so bad. If you want to see how I got these 4 jumbo braids, just keep watching the video. Okay, so I sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and I left the front 2 out just so that I can do that on camera so you guys can see. And I already did the back already. I just decided not to film that because it's hard to kind of like angle myself in the camera. So yeah, I just did the back off camera, and I'm going to show you it like how I did it with my front 2 sections. So I'm starting off with my Edge Entity. This is their follicle stimulating cream, and I'm just going to apply that to my edges because those are the areas where I need my hair to grow. Oh God. So this is my TGIN. This is their Miracle Repair Breakage Serum, but I put it in this bottle because the pump wasn't working. Annoying. So I'm just applying this to my scalp and my edges, and I'm also going to put some in my hand, and I'm going to apply it to my hair. This serum is like, I love it. I've been using it for like a month now. And now I'm going to take this from Alike Naturals. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's a shea yogurt, and I'm just applying that to my hair. So I'm going to take this Cantu hair wax, and I'm just going to apply it to my hair because I get a lot of frizz. So I'm just using this, and it kind of helps with me not having to add so much product in my hair. I find like when I use this, I use less of like the Got2b glue gel and all that other stuff. So I'm just brushing out my edges, and I'm going to take the Got2b Ultra Glue, and I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter of my part. I'm not adding a lot because I already put the hair wax, so I don't need that much hair glue. So I'm using the red Shine and Jam. This is the Magic Fingers. I saw this on YouTube, so I thought I'll give it a try. I usually use the yellow jar, but I'm just going to apply a little bit around the perimeter again. Guys, when I tell you my hair is frizzy, like it gets frizzy. So I need all the gel, whatever, to hold my hair down. So I'm taking this Got2b Free Spray, and I'm applying that as well around the perimeter. And I'm just going to help sleek everything and kind of just get rid of those flyaways. And I'm just going to take my brush and brush it just to brush the product in. And I'm going to take these extra large rubber bands. I took like 5 of them. They're literally like the little rubber bands, but just bigger. So I would advise using at least like 3 to 5 of them. And I'm just going to make a pony, I guess. So I'm going to add the Shine and Jam to my ends and work my way to the top. And because I just want my hair to be slick, so that way when I braid it, it just blends in. So I'm using this Bobbi Boss. I don't know the color, and I threw away the package. I'm sorry, guys. But I brought 2 packs. It's a jumbo pack. It comes with 3. So I use 1 bundle and a half of another bundle, and the other half I'm just going to use to kind of add in here. I'm using that Bamboo Slick and Shine from Silicone just to kind of sleek the hair. And I'm going to take the rubber band, and I'm going to create like a loop. I don't know how to explain it, but you like wrap it, and then it's hard to explain it, but I hope that you can see what I'm doing here. But I'm just creating a loop. If you buy like braiding hair, sometimes the hair comes like that already with the rubber band already looped in it, if you know what I mean. So I just created it, and that is what I'm going to use to put around the ponytail or the part, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to wrap the rubber band as if I am like putting a scrunchie on or something. So I'm going to add some of that silicone to the added hair just to prep it, so that way when I grab it, it's already prepped and done. So I'm going to section off a piece of that braiding hair, and I'll put it to the side for later. So I'm going to section off the hair in 3 sections. And I'm adding a little bit more of that Shine and Jam just to help sleek and blend my hair into the braiding hair. And then I'm just gonna start braiding down, just that simple. So taking that half bundle, I'm just going to add it to the braid because I want it a little bit more length. You know, I gotta be extra, y'all. So yeah, I'm just adding it in. I wish I could explain how to add hair in. Maybe I could do a video on that. But anyway, I'm adding extra hair and I'm gonna continue to braid down. So I'm going to take the silicone sleek spray and I'm just going to spray it on that section that I put to the side and brush it. And then I'm just going to start wrapping that around the braid, just where the root, I guess you can say, where the rubber band is at. I actually like this method. There's other methods where you can start the braid loose at the top so that you can flip it and tuck the bun, like if you put your hair in a bun in the braid. But I think I like this because I feel like over time your hair is gonna peek out. So I feel like this would just last a little bit longer. So I'm just taking a wide bobby pin and I'm just gonna add that for right now, just to hold it until I'm done. Because after a while the bobby pin was hurting me, so I ended up taking a rubber band and just securing it like that. But yeah, this is just one braid down. I actually like how it came out, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on the next braid so you can see, and I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit, same steps. So like I said before, those wide bobby pins, they start to hurt and they're uncomfortable. So I just decided, oh wow, I just decided to take like the rubber band and just, you know, put it around the hair, the wrap. I don't know what to call that part, but yeah, I just put it around to hold it. And then I'm just gonna take some spritz and I'm gonna spray it on there to get it tacky and hard so that it does not come out. So I'm taking my Eben 24-hour edge tamer, and this is in coconut. You guys, this is the best edge control. Like, shout out to my bestie Jenny. She told me about this. I thought that they only had like the color edge control, like, because I use that for like my edges to make it look like I have edges. But anyway, yeah, she told me that they had like edge control, and I was just like, I gotta get it. This is like the only thing that works on my hair, honestly, because anything else, my hair will get curled up, frizzy, it just won't last. So I'm just gonna put my edge scarf on just to kind of, you know, have my edges cooking. That's what I like to say to myself. I say they're cooking or whatever when I'm laying them. And I'm just gonna go boil some hot water and dip my tips and I'll be back. So I finished dipping the tips in hot water, and now the braids are nice and straight. And oh, I love how long they are. They're so cute, and I love this color. They match my pants. So I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm just gonna apply it to all my braids, and this just is gonna help with the flyaways and kind of slick the hair, make the synthetic hair feel nice and smooth. And my camera cut off. I don't know, it did some weird thing and it cut off when I was about to do the last braid. So here's the finishing look, and I'm taking advice from somebody who left me a comment a while back when I did the passion twist. They wanted me to stand up, so I'm standing up so you can see the whole head, sis, okay? But yeah, this is the whole head. I love the way they came out. Oh my god, I'm just so hyped. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like the video, if there's any other hairstyles you would like me to do. I'm definitely gonna add this to my Style C page. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.